OABIS is a comprehensive suite of business application for your business automation. It is having everything from accounting to CRM, warehousing to inventory control. OABIS is complete enterprise grade ERP solution. Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Open Source Wave. I am Swapnil Emmane, and in this episode we are featuring another powerful open source project, Apache OABIS. In a nutshell, OABIS is a product for automation of enterprise processes that includes framework component and business applications for ERP, CRM, e-commerce, supply chain management, asset management, MRP and many more. Apache OABIS comes with a range of core modules out of the box, including accounting, CRM, order management and e-commerce, warehousing and inventory, manufacturing and MRP. And it has a full set of useful business features including product and catalog management, promotion and pricing management, supply chain fulfillment, contracts, payments and billing. There are tons of applications which are out of the box available in OABIS like order management system, warehouse management system, e-commerce, point of sale, accounting, content management system, manufacturing, asset maintenance, catalog management, human resource, marketing, product management, Scrum, business intelligence and Salesforce automation. The OABIS is composed of two parts, the framework and the business application named as plugin. This allows user to use only framework if they want to build their enterprise application. Like Atlassian Jira is using the Entity Engine of Apache OABIS. Entity Engine is a part of framework that is responsible for interaction with the database entity. Apart from this, there are various enterprises like United Airlines and KB which are using the OABIS framework. The demo instance of OABIS can be found at oabis.apache.org/OABIS-demos. Here you can find the demo instance for various OABIS versions. Obviously, as Apache OABIS is a part of Apache Software Foundation, it is licensed under Apache License version 2.0. And the OABIS is acronym for Open for Business. The project was developed by David E. Jones and Andrew Zaneski in 2001. It became the part of Apache Incubation in January 2006 and became the top level project in the same year in December. The success of any open source project is its community. The OABIS has vibrant community. At the time of recording of this video, the project has 52 committers and 30 PMC members. The contributors are from all over the world like USA, India, France, Germany, Italy, China and many more. There are various ways to connect with the OABIS community, but the recommended is mailing list. The mailing list is a primary source of communication for OABIS project. Majority of discussion is happen on the mailing list. More details can be found at oabis.apache.org/mailing-list. If the mailing list is something new to you and you are not sure how to subscribe mailing list, we will recommend you to see our previous videos on how to subscribe or unsubscribe Apache mailing list. If you want to chit chat with OABIS community, they are also active on Slack channel in ASF space. Please create a Slack account using invitation link at s.apache.org/slack-invite and join the OABIS channel. These links are also mentioned in the description section of this video. You can also follow OABIS on various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube. All the links are also available in the description section. So this was some brief about OABIS project. If you found this content useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for open source update. Also, if you'd like to see video on any open source topic or want to feature your open source project, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.